So it's time to take a look at the glue guns. I got my mini glue gun in from China. 20 watts, 110 to 220 volts. That's a lie, by the way. And maybe we'll take a look at that a little bit later. But for right now, I do want to get it fired up. I plugged it in briefly just to ensure that A, it didn't blow up, and B, that it would actually get hot, and it started getting warm, so I do know that it's good as far as that's concerned. This came with all sorts of extra flashing on the plastic. I had to take a razor blade and dress the entire thing because it's just that kind of quality. So here's the mini glue stick as compared to a regular size one. Now I've had these glue sticks for a while. The package specifically states non-yellowing. I know these are the mini ones, but the full-size ones that I have, and clearly it's yellowed. Right. But whatever, it works the same. It's nothing different. So I have this on the low setting, the low heat setting, which essentially is what this one is going to do. Same idea. And we'll see what the difference in the beads will be. I'm going to put a glue stick in, which I guess I need two hands to do. Okay, they're all set up, and I'm going to turn them on. That has a power indicator, that of course does not. And we're going to go ahead and get these, allow these to heat up for 5 minutes, 10 minutes or so. And I'm going to actually waste the entire glue stick. They say never to remove a glue stick from the gun for whatever it's worth. I don't know, so I figure okay. And then we'll take a look at these, which are the colored ones I got. I think I'm just going to do, there's like a red one in there. I think I'll just do that. And we'll leave the glitter ones for another time for something else. So we'll let these heat up, and I'll be back as soon as they're ready. Alright, quite some time has elapsed. I don't know exactly how much time. It's kind of warm. Also kind of warm. This glue gun, for some reason, has been giving me problems, but it seems to definitely be moving the stick in. Yeah, there he goes. Okay, so it's working. We'll wipe his nosy off. And let's see if this one is ready yet. Doesn't appear to be. I can't shove it by hand, so I guess we gotta wait a little longer. I do remember the old one I had just took damn near forever to heat up. Well, apparently clear is a color. These are all the different colors that I got. I sorted them out here. And notice they give you a regular red and a sparkly red, but a sparkly blue and no regular blue. They give you a green sparkly and a green non-sparkly and black. And it's been a lot longer now, and this still hasn't melted the glue stick, which is interesting. Don't you love China? Won't come out the damn nozzle. No, no. Comes out there. Probably a shit ton of glue inside. Well, this video went nowhere. Guess I'm gonna have to open this thing up. It's hot, so I kind of don't want to do it now. But, yeah, let's take a look. Okay. Now I gotta take this thing off. That's easy enough. Yeah, well, it should have been. Okay, it'll just stay. Fine. And I've loosened all the screws. Yep, that's what happened. It just didn't want to go in the rubber thingamajobber, and it jammed up in the gun. The good news is I might be able to fix it. Maybe. Okay, that just fell apart, so That's lovely. Well, that's going to about do it, I think. For now, I got to let this thing cool. And I still can't get that out there. Finally. What a fail. What a total fail. You know, it was going good. It was just taking a long damn time. And then it just shit the bed. There. The rubber thing, like, I don't know what happened to it. But it's too hot for me to do anything more. Well, the good news is it kind of sort of knows how to melt the glue a little bit. So maybe there's a little bit of hope. But, yeah. That was an epic fail. The one I had years ago was of a similar design, very similar design, and it also was very hard to shove the glue through. There's what's left of the glue stick. That's the end of that one. And another time I will continue on with this. So that was a fail. A wonderful made in China fail. I did mention before, and hopefully I'll remember to do it in the next video, that this wasn't 20 watts. I'll have to show you that on the watt meter because you won't believe what it really is. Okay, that was a huge fail. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and we'll see you with the redux of this one. Take care.